Hi, today we're going to work on changing the battery in this key fob. In this instance, this is for a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I know other Jeep models have very similar fob. It's very easy to do. All you need is a key fob, a new battery, a CR2032. Okay, first thing you do is on the back, you release your key and use the same key into this slot right here. What you do is you just give it a little bit of a twist back and forth, and it pops the case open enough for you to pull it apart and separate it. This side here, you have the old battery that doesn't work. Just kind of use your same key, give it a little bit of lift, take it out. As you can see, the camera's picking that up. CR2032. Put that one aside, grab our new one, take it out of the package. That's the one we just took out. All we're going to do is place it back in with the flat side facing down. Get it nice and firm. And just put your two halves back together. Press firmly all the way around until it all clicks back into place. Try not to hit your panic button if your car's nearby. Slip your key in. And you are done. Easy peasy. Hope that helps you.